Hello, this is Julio Davila, your Atlanta real estate agent, with another virtual home tour, ultra luxury edition. We are in Buckhead, Georgia, which is north of Atlanta. Today we are touring the most expensive condo listed for sale in Atlanta. Step into unparalleled luxury in this custom-designed residence by Jim Weinberg, of Jim Weinberg Lifestyles. The private elevator takes you to the foyer of the full-floor residence, where custom iron and glass French doors lead you into a grand great room. From here, oversized picture windows provide 360 degrees panoramic views of the Atlanta skyline, while custom tray ceilings and elegant chandeliers add to the sense of opulence. The home is equipped with smart home technology, 3 fireplaces, built-in storage for the retractable projector and screen video system, motorized solar shades and drapery, and a huge laundry room with built-in storage. The chef's kitchen is a masterpiece, with custom built-ins, sleek quartzite countertops, 4 high-capacity Sub-Zero wine coolers, Sub-Zero refrigerator, and Wolf appliances. The beautiful stone fireplace and walkout balcony creates a warm and welcoming atmosphere. The primary suite is located in its own private wing and features a massive bedroom with a sitting area and fireplace, large custom-built closets, and a luxurious bathroom with his and hers vanities, a soaking tub, an oversized walk-in shower, and a walkout balcony. The Waldorf Astoria is an exclusive luxury condominium, offering world-class amenities and impeccable service in the heart of Buckhead. Residents enjoy valet parking, a fitness center, dining, and entertaining rooms, package delivery, dry cleaning, and 24-hour concierge service. This exceptional residence is perfect for those who appreciate the finer things in life and desire the ultimate living experience. Don't forget to tell us what you think in the comments below, like, and subscribe. Now let's finish the tour.
Perfect. Perfect.